We have spoken about brands and leaders who have redefined and made their mark. But at the core of a lot of these marketing strategies is the impact that is made by not just the face, but by the extension of the persona they carry. They play a pivotal role in shaping perceptions and driving engagement. Their ability to connect with audiences, amplify brand messages, and elevate brand identities set them apart as true influencers. And joining us on stage is someone who made his debut as the first ever brand ambassador for a leading men's fashion brand in 2018. Dhime Dhime he has collaborated with global giants. His journey is a testament to his versatility and widespread appeal. His campaigns have resonated deeply with audiences, setting new benchmarks in brand endorsements. Now, beyond his on screen charisma, he has been the face of over brands spanning diverse sectors such as fashion, technology, FMCG, and lifestyle. In 2014 and 2024, well, he continued to make waves with high profile campaigns, including a groundbreaking football themed advertising that showcased his versatility and deepened his bond with fans. I know you're very excited to take a look at the winner, so let's take a look on the screen right now.
The IAA Brand Endorser of the Year is Karthik Aaryan.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Karthik Aaryan. Yes.
Good evening. A very, very heartiest congratulations to you, Karthik. Ladies and gentlemen, a young kid from Gwalior in just about 10, 11 years with almost 20 films under his belt. Karthik, all we want you to know is that you've had your success with films. You know, fans have followed. And obviously now, in this audience, you have a powerhouse of brands and a jury which has chosen to have you as the IAA Brand Endorser of the Year. What is it that you'd like to say to them?
First of all, thank you so much, sir. Thank you to the entire team of IAA Leadership Awards. And मैं बस यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पर आकर बहुत खुश हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर मैं अराउंड कुछ 30 ब्रांड्स या 31 ब्रांड्स को एंडोर्स करता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है यहाँ आके शायद से और ज़्यादा 40-50 तक ले जाइए प्लीज़. So I hope so I'm just glad to be here. I'm just glad that I could achieve and endorse or maybe be face of certain brands which I really believe in. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत एक पहली बात तो ब्रांड बनाना बड़ा मुश्किल है. फिर जब वो ब्रांड्स आपके पास किसी अपने ब्रांड को लेकर आते हैं तो उसे एंडोर्स करना एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. And I think that responsibility has been given to me with umpteen brands, and I'm trying my level best to endorse them, to be the face of those brands, and in my full capacity. मतलब मैं एक ब्रांड के साथ अगर जुड़ता हूँ तो मैं उसके साथ पूरी तरह से जुड़ता हूँ, and I take the full ownership as if brand मैंने साथ में मिलके बनाया, which I really firmly believe in. And ये मेरा resume भी है आप सबके लिए कि अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं so but thank you for believing in me, and thank you for this award. It means a lot to me, and it's like एक validation है ये भी, and I'm glad. Thank you.
Ekdam hai Karthik, and it's an endorsement. You deserve it, and God bless you. All the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.